Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to mark probation extension for an employee within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, the user can click on the Quick Actions drop-down and select the Initiate Probation Extension option. The name or ID of the employee whose probation period is to be extended can be clicked. Then, the effective date for the extension of probation and the end date for the probation extension can be mentioned. Once the time period and reason for action are mentioned, the probation extension for the same can be initiated by clicking on the Initiate Probation Extension option. Thank you for watching.